Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain page number 74 in activity book of LKG class. The name of this page is Safety First. Okay, some things are given on this page, some uncolored things are given on this page, and you have to cross those things that you should not touch, means that are harmful for us. Okay, and cross these objects and color these objects. Those you should touch, those you can touch properly. Okay, so let's see which things we should not touch. See, one number, car is a vehicle, and you are small kids, all of you should not touch the car. Okay, so we will cross this car. Now next one, gas cylinder and cooking gas. If your mother is cooking food on this gas cylinder and stove, your mother is cooking food on this gas and cylinder in kitchen, and it is very harmful for kids. So you should not touch anyhow, because due to this you can burn, and due to this any harmful tragedy could be happen. So we will cross this object. Now switches and plugs are there in your home, electric switches and plugs. You should not touch them with your hands, because if you will touch with your hand, you can get electric current and electric shock. So we should not touch these electric plugs and switches. So we will cross this object. Now next one, it is our school bag. It is very important thing. All of you are reading with your school bag, with your books and notebooks. So you can touch this and daily touch it, daily study from your school bag, so you can do proper study. So we will color this bag. Now it's teddy bear, it is a toy. Yes, you can touch it very easily, because you used this for your playing. So we will color these objects. Now next one is matchbox. It is used to burning anything. So it is also very harmful for us. So you should not touch the matchbox. So we will cross this object. Next one, medicines. We should not touch medicines without any reason. Okay. So parents used to touch it, and parents used to give you proper medicine. If you will give incorrect or wrong medicine, then it will be harmful to you. So we should not touch the medicines on own. So we will cross this object. Next one, bread and jam. Yes, it is eatable thing. You can touch it and you can eat it also in the breakfast. Okay, so we will color this object. Now it is scissors and needle. No, you cannot touch scissors and needles, because these are sharp objects, and you can get injury from these objects. So we should not touch these objects. So we will cross these objects. Okay, so rest objects, only car, only school bag, bread, jam and teddy bear you will color, and all the objects you will cross. So try to do this page on your own, so that you can understand about safety things. Thank you everyone for listening to me.